Good morning, Kutis. What do you discuss in previous class? Objects. Based on the permeability of object, it can be divided into three groups. Which one permeability? The light permeability of object. What are they? Transparent objects, translucent object, opaque object. What do you mean by transparent object? Through this transparent object, we can see the clear image. Example, glass. Next, translucent object. What do you mean by translucent object? The translucent object, we cannot see the clear image, we see the blurred image only. So, example, vegetable oil soaked paper. Blurred image means what? That one மங்களா தெளிவாக தெரியாமல் மங்களா தெரிகிற இமேஜை தான் நம்மளால் பார்க்க முடியும். நெக்ஸ்ட் opaque object. What do you mean by opaque object? Through this opaque object we cannot see any image. Example, stone, wood. Next, reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection? In and around we see our environment, we see so many things. How do you see? Through this light passed on the object, that one reflected, so only we can see our image. So this only reflection of light. Next, in that reflection of light, it can be divided into three: light sources, reflection, and then images. What do you mean by light sources? The sun gives us light. Apart from that sun, so many things give light. What are they? Lamp, electric bulb give the light. Which one give off light? That one is called the light sources. What are the things provide for light? That one is called light sources. Next, reflection. What do you mean by reflection? Reflection means we see the image of the particular object. That one is called reflection. Next, images. How do you see the image? We see our image. You stand in front of the mirror, we see our image. Same like that, any object you keep it that in front of the mirror, we see the image. That only images. Shall we move to today class? Hi dear, good morning. Welcome for our second science class. Today for you new topic. What is our topic? Unit 4, Science in Everyday Life. Without science, we cannot live. So many objects we use in that day-to-day life, easy our life, science only. Science only easy our life for sophisticated life. Without science, we cannot live. So, science in everyday life, today class for you, very interesting topic. Shall we go to the class? Milk. Milk is produced by some animals for nourishing their young ones. Milk from many animals is used by humans. Cow's milk is used commonly. Milk is produced by some animals for nourishing their young ones. What purpose milk produced? To give their young ones nourishing. The sick people also drink milk. The milk is fat-free content milk, fat-free milk. And also we use so many types of milks. But humans commonly use that cow's milk, cows or buffalo's milk. Milk from many animals is used by humans. Cow's milk is used commonly. Next, sources of milk. What do you mean by sources? What do you mean by sources? Sources means where you get from milk, that only sources. Milk is primarily obtained from mammals. What do you mean by mammals? They give birth to their young ones and also feed their mother milks, that only mammals. They are obtained from other sources too, not only mammals, and also we get from other sources also. Milk we get from other sources also. Example, soya milk, nut and seed based milk. Not only cow and buffalo milk. We get other sources also. Which sources? Soya milk, nut and seed based milk also we get. Based on the amount of fat present in the milk, it can be classified as whole milk, low fat milk, fat free milk. Based on the fat present, how much amount of fat present in the milk, it can be divided into three. What are they? Whole milk, low fat milk and fat free milk. So what do you mean by sources of milk? Where we get from, where we obtained from, that only sources. எங்கேருந்து நமக்கு மில்க் கிடைக்குதோ அதுதான் சோர்சஸ். எக்ஸாம்பிள் கவ், பஃபலோ மில்க், சோயா மில்க், நட்டு, சீடு, இது எல்லாமே என்ன அது? சோர்சஸ் ஆஃப் மில்க். Milk is obtained from mammals. Mammals means they give birth to their young ones and also feed their mother milks. Next, based on the amount of fat present, it can be divided into three. What are they? Whole milk, fat free milk and then low fat milk. Next our topic, nutritional value of milk. Nutritional value of milk. Combination of milk. What are the combination? What are the one present in the milk? That only combination of milk. Water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. These are all the one present in the milk. Regularly we drink a cup of milk. Drink a cup of milk in the night time and also morning time. We avoid so many diseases. So regularly we drink that milk. What are the one present in the milk? Combination of milk: water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and then minerals. These are all the one present in the milk. This only nutrition. These nutrition are present in the milk. Let us discuss one by one. Nutritional value of milk. Sugar. Milk has sweet taste because it has a special sugar called lactose. Milk has which taste? Sweet taste. Why? It has a special juice. What is the name of the sugar? Lactose. Milk present sugar. Milk has which taste? Sweet taste. Which one present? Which one give to sweet taste? Lactose only give sweet taste. Next, protein. It helps to build muscles. It helps to build muscles. Next, fat. Fat present in the milk is called butter. Butter is more delicious than any other fat. Compare that all the fat, butter is more delicious. Fat present in the milk. Which fat present in the milk? Butter. It is more delicious than any other fat. Next, vitamin. Vitamin D in milk helps to maintain bones. Helps to not only maintain our bones and also maintain our teeth also. Vitamin D also present in the milks. Next, minerals. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. What are the nutritional value present in the milk means? Sugar. How do you give the taste? Sweet in taste. Lactose only give sweet in taste. Next, protein. What is the use of protein? It helps to build muscles. Next, fat. Which fat present in the milk? Butter. It is compared that all the fat. Butter is more delicious than any other fat. Next, vitamin. Which vitamin present in the milk? Vitamin D present in the milk. What is the use for that one? It maintain our bones and teeth healthy. Next, minerals. Which minerals present in milk? Calcium is a mineral. What is the use for that one? It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. It gives healthy bones and teeth. What are the nutritional value present in milk? Sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are all the one present in the milk. Next, our topic, uses of milk. What is the use of milk? Primary food for babies. It is the primary food. Which one? Milk is the primary food for babies. Next, it gives curd, buttermilk and ghee. Which one give? The milk only give. Curd na தயிர், butter na தெரியும், buttermilk na மோர், ghee na நெய். இது எல்லாத்தையும் எது கொடுக்குது? மில்க் கொடுக்குது. ஹெல்த்தி ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் அடல்ட் அண்ட் சிக் பீப்புள். No age difference. All the people drink milk. Healthy drinks for adults and sick people. Especially adults and sick people. Used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. Cheese, paneer, milk sweet, all the one making with the milk only. Presence of milk only. Used in ice creams and chocolates. Milk chocolate, milk ice cream. And then used drinking during festivals and ceremonies. This milk are used during that festival day and ceremonies. Uses of milk. So many uses. It is a primary food for babies. It gives. Which one gives? The milk gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. Butter na enna தயிர். Buttermilk na more and ghee also given for milk only. Next, healthy drink. The milk is a healthy drink for adult and sick people. Next enna சொல்றோம்? Used for making cheese, paneer and other milk sweets. All the sweets, milk sweets and all, with the help of milk only we prepare that one. Used in ice creams and chocolates. Used in ice cream and chocolates during festival time and ceremony times. Used for milk. Uses of milk. Without milk we cannot prepare anything. Sweet items. Next our topic, health benefits of milk. What is the health benefits of milk? Which one present in the milk? Vitamin D present in the milk. What is the use for that one? What are the benefits? Regularly we drink that milk. Adult and sick people. And also primary food for the babies. So what is the benefits of milk? It strengthens bones and teeth. Which one? Milk only gives strength to our bones and teeth. It maintains blood pressure, regular blood pressure. For example, blood pressure regular இருக்கு அப்படின்னா we drink a cup of milk. It maintains blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. Heart diseases reduce பண்ணுது. It is a source of energy. It gives energy for all people. Not only adult people, and also gives sources energy for sick people also. So many uses. Without milk we cannot prepare anything. For sweet items, chocolates and then ice creams, we add some milk. So in that during festival time and ceremony times used for milk. Next, benefits. What are the benefits? It gives strength to our bones and muscles and also maintain blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart diseases. It is a primary source of energy. Not only children, adult and sick people. All the people drink. Without age difference, all the people drink milk. Next, recap. What are the one discussed in the class? Science in everyday class. What are the one discussed? Milk. Milk is the primary source of energy. Primary food. Which one primary food? Milk. Milk is produced many animals, but we get the cow milk only. Commonly used cow's milk only. Cow's milk is used commonly. Next, sources of milk. What are the one give of milk? That only sources of milk. What are the one given? Sources of milk: soya milk, nut and seed based milk. Soya milk also we get nut seed based. Soya milk nut seed based. இதுவும் நமக்கு என்ன கொடுக்குது? மில்கை கொடுக்குது. So this also sources of milk: cow, buffalo, goat, camel, donkey, all the one give milk. First, primary, what purpose milk produced? It obtained from mammals. Where do we get obtained from? It obtained from mammals. What purpose milk given? It is a primary food for babies. Which one give off milk? Mammals only give off milk. What do you mean by mammals? Mammals means it gives birth to their young ones and also feed their mother milk. Sources of milk. What are the sources? Cows, buffaloes, donkeys, goat, camel, and then soya milk, nut and seed based milk. This only sources of milk. Based on the fat present, based on the amount of fat present in the milk it can be divided into 3 types. What are they? Whole milk, low fat milk and fat free milk. The 3, based on the fat content, it can be divided into 3: whole milk, low fat milk and fat free milk. Next, nutritional value of milk. What are the one present in the milk? Water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals are present in the milk. What is the nutritional value present in the milk? Sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. What one give that sugar? Normally the milk is sweet in taste. Which one give the special? Which one give the sugar taste? Lactose only give the sugar taste. Next, proteins. Proteins, it build our muscles. Next, fat. Fat present in the milk. Which fat? Butter is present in the milk. It is more delicious than any other fat. Compare that all the fat. Which one more delicious? Butter only more delicious. Next, vitamins. Vitamin D present in the milks. It helps to maintain our bones and teeth. Next, calcium. This one, minerals. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. Next, last and final topic. Which one? Health benefits of milk. Uses of milk. What are the uses? Primary food for babies. The milk gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. It is a healthy drink for adult and sick people. Used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. Used in ice cream and chocolates. During festivals and ceremony times, used this milk. Last and final one, health benefits of milk. What are the health benefits? It strengthens bones and teeth, maintains blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart diseases. It is a source of energy. This only health benefits. I hope you understood the class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you, dear. Now, book reading. Science in Everyday Life. Unit 4. Science in Everyday Life. What do you mean by science in everyday life? In day-to-day life activities, we do so many activities. All the one, science only, very important part. What? How do you know that one? What are the one we discuss in the class? After you completed this lesson, what are the objects you know? That only learning objects. After learning this lesson, students will be able to know the nutritional value of milk. We know about the nutritional value of milk. Next, explore the benefits of cooking. We know about the benefits of cooking. Next, Learn about packing of bread, biscuit and cake. How to pack that one. Which one? Bread, biscuit and cake. Last one, know about the gadgets used in daily life. Let us see one by one. Let us recall. What you recall? Here, speak with the students and teacher. Teacher, what do you have as soon as you get up? What do you have as soon as you get up? Tea, coffee and milk. Tea, coffee and milk. Teacher, good. What do they contain? What are the one contains? Students reply the answer. Milk, tea dust, coffee powder and sugar. We early get up. Why? For drinking of tea, coffee and milk. Okay. What are the one content? Teacher ask for the students. Which one? The tea. What are the content of tea? What are the ingredients added for tea? The students say the answer. Milk, tea dust, coffee powder and sugar. Teacher, very good. Do you know why we drink milk in the morning? What purpose we drink in the morning? Yes, it is good for our health. Students say the answer. Yes, I know it is good for our health. Teacher, correct. Let us learn more about milk in this lesson. You say the answer correct only. Again, to know more information about milk. First, milk. Milk is produced by some animals for nourishing their young ones. Milk from many animals used by humans. Cow's milk is used commonly. Milk is produced by some animals only. For which one? They give young ones, nourishing their young ones. That means feed their young ones. Milk from many animals. We get milk from many animals. But which milk used for humans? Commonly used for cow and buffalo milk only. Sources of milk. Where do we get from the milk? Here you see the picture. Milk is primarily obtained from mammals. Milk is obtained from where? Mammals. What do you mean by mammals? They birth to young ones. That one is called mammals. They are obtained from other sources too. Not only milk from mammals. We get milk from other sources also. What are the sources? Soya milk, nut and seed based milk. Based on the amount of fat present in the milk, it can be classified as whole milk, low fat milk and fat free milk. We get milk from so many products. What are the products we get from milk? Soya milk, nut and seed based milk. Based on the fat content of milk, it can be divided into 3. What are they? Whole milk, low fat milk and then fat free milk, without fat milk. People all over the world get their milk from mammals like sheep, goat, camel, donkey, horse, yak, water buffalo, reindeer and even moose. We get from milk. What are the mammals? Sheep, goat, camel, donkey, horse, yak, water buffalo, reindeer, even moose. This all the one we get from milk. What is the nutritional value of milk? Milk contains water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Every day we drink a cup of milk means we avoid so many diseases. So milk content, what are the product? What are the vitamins and minerals present in the milk? What are the one present? Water, sugar, and then protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. This all the one present in the milk. Water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, all the one present in the milk. Sugar. What do you mean by sugar? Milk has sweet taste because it has a special sugar called lactose. What is the taste for milk? It is a sweet taste. Which one present? Lactose is present. So only the milk given for sweet taste. Next, protein. It helps to build muscles. Next, which one given nutritional value? It helps us to build their muscles. Next, fat present in the milk is called butter. Butter is more delicious than any other fat. You compare that other fat, which one more delicious? Butter only more delicious. Next, vitamin D in milk help to maintain the bones. The bone become very strong. How do you help? The milk only given the bone strong, and also teeth also strong. Which one given? The milk only given to maintain. Vitamin D in milk helps to maintain the bones. Next, minerals. Calcium is a mineral. It helps to build healthy bones and teeth. Healthy bones and teeth. Minerals also present. It helps us to calcium. Which mineral present in milk? Calcium mineral present. What is the help for that one? Build healthy bones and teeth. This only nutritional value of milk. Next, milk in daily life. How do you drink milk? What are the important things present in the milk? Primary food for babies. The milk is a primary food. Compare that all the food. Which one given for young babies? Childbirth after which one given? Milk only given. So this one primary food for babies. Gives curd, butter, buttermilk and ghee. Milk என்னென்னத்தை கொடுக்குது? Curd, தயிர் கொடுக்குது, butter, buttermilk and ghee. All the one given for which one? Milk only. Health drink for adults and sick people. All the persons drink milk. It is a healthy drink. Sick people's adults except small babies up to adults drink. Which one? Milk. So health drink for adults and sick people. Used for making cheese, paneer and milk sweets. The milk is used for what are the one? Ice creams and chocolates. Cheese, paneer and milk sweets. Next, last one, used in ice creams and chocolates. This only last, used during festivals and ceremonies. During festival and ceremonies times, which one used? Milk. We get from milk. What are the one? What are the product we get from milk? Tea, coffee, curd, butter, buttermilk, ghee, and then sweets, chocolate, ice cream, all the one we get from milk only. Health benefits of milk. What are the one given for milk? What are the healthy benefits for milk? It strengthens bones and teeth. It gives strength to the bones and teeth. It maintains blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart diseases. It is a source of energy. The milk only given for source of energy. What are the health benefits means? It strengthens the bones and teeth. It gives strength to bones and teeth. Next one, maintains blood pressure. Blood pressure maintain பண்ணுது. Third one, reduces the risk of heart diseases. Heart diseases வரதை reduce பண்ணுது. Next, it is a source of energy. Which one given? This one given for energy. Next, try to answer. Here two options given for you. First one, milk is a rich source of dash.
calcium, iron. Which one present in milk? That one want to write in the space. Second one, milk contains dash, dash and dash. What are the one present in the milk? Milk contains what are the one present? Already we saw, no? You write the space, correct answer. Now, material reading. Lesson 4, Science in Everyday Life. First Roman, dictation words. First one, calcium, C-A-L-C-I-U-M, calcium, C-A-L-C-I-U-M, calcium. Second one, biscuit, B-I-S-C-U-I-T, biscuit, B-I-S-C-U-I-T, biscuit. Third one, tablets, T-A-B-L-E-T-S, tablets, T-A-B-L-E-T-S, tablets. Fourth one, nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. Fifth one, digestion, D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N, digestion. Dictation words, first one calcium, second one biscuit, third one tablets, fourth one nutrients, fifth one digestion. Next, second Roman missing letters. Steaming, first one steaming, S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G, steaming. Missing letters, first one steaming, S-T-E-A-M-I-N-G, steaming. Second one vitamins, V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S, vitamins, V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S, vitamins. Third one essential, E-S-S-E-N-T-I-A-L, essential. Fourth one flavors, F-L-A-V-O-U-R-S, flavors. Fifth one minerals, M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S, minerals. Missing letters, first one steaming, second one vitamins, third one essential, fourth one flavors, fifth one minerals. Next, third Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, primary source of energy for the young ones of some animals is dash. Water, fruits, milk. Which one? Milk only primary source of energy for the young ones of some animals is dash. Which one? Milk. Second one, vitamin present in milk that helps us to maintain our bones is vitamin D. Which vitamins present in milk that maintain our bones? Vitamin E. Here given vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin D. Which vitamin? Vitamin D only present in milk. That one help to maintain our bones healthy. Third one of the ancient food items made by human is dash. Noodles, cake, bread. Which one correct answer? Bread only correct answer. Next, dash is a raw food, cucumber. Raw food means that one eating without boiling. Cucumber. Cucumber na vellarikkai. Dash is a raw food, cucumber, chapati, bread. Which one? Cucumber only. A gadget that plays songs is called music player. Play songs, which one? The gadget. Play songs, that one called what? Music player. Fifth Roman, fill in the blanks. Up to 4 Roman only. Fourth Roman, now fill in the blanks. Cheese and paneer are made from milk. Cheese and paneer, where we get from? We get from milk only. Nutrients are made ready for digestion by cooking. Nutrients are made ready for digestion by cooking. நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி கிடைக்குது, எப்படி ஈஸியாக டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா குக்கிங் ஃபுட்டிலேருந்து தான் டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகுது அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. அப் டு 4 Roman only today material reading. And then 6th Roman, first 3 question. Answer the following questions. First 3. Name the food products derived from milk. Derived from milk. Which products we get from milk? That only here asking. Curd, first one, curd, butter, buttermilk, ghee, cheese, paneer, milk sweets, ice cream and chocolates. Name the, which one? Name the products derived from milk. What are the products we get from milk? What are the products we get from milk? Curd, butter, கர்டுனா தயிர், பட்டர்னா தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு அந்த வெண்ணெய். நெக்ஸ்ட் பட்டர் மில்க்னா மோர், கீ நெய், சீஸ் பன்னீர், மில்க் ஸ்வீட்டு அண்டு மில்க் ஸ்வீட்ஸ், க்ரீமு and chocolates. This is all the one we get from where? We get from milk only. Second question, write the names of any 3 packed food. Bread, biscuit, cakes. Bread, biscuit, cakes. Third one, in what ways a smartphone will help you? What are the ways the smartphone will help you? That only here asking for that question. What are the way help to smartphone? Apart from communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store files, take photos, track location and much more. What are the benefits of mobile phone here asking? How do help the mobile phone in day-to-day life? Apart from communication, communicationக்கு மட்டும் இல்லை அப்படின்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? We exchange the news from one person to another person. கம்யூனிகேஷனுக்கு மட்டும் அல்ல. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? ஸ்மார்ட் ஃபோன்ஸ் ஹாவ் த எபிலிட்டி டு அக்சஸ் த இன்டர்நெட் அண்ட் ஸ்டோர் ஃபைல்ஸ். இன்டர்நெட் கனெக்ஷன் கிடைக்குது, அது மூலியமாக நம்ம நிறைய நியூஸை கேதர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம், ஃபைலை ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வைக்கிறோம், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபைல்ஸை. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அதில் என்ன செய்கிறோம்? ஃபோட்டோ காப்பி எடுக்கிறோம், லொக்கேஷனை ட்ராக் பண்ணுறோம். ஏதாவது அன்னோன் பிளேஸுக்கு போனோன்னா நம்ம பிளேஸை ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன செய்யலாம்? அந்த நீ நிற்கிற பிளேஸ்லேருந்து உன்னோட எங்கே போகணுமோ, ரீச் ஆகணுமோ அந்த பிளேஸை ஈஸியாக அந்த மொபைல் ஃபோன் மூலியமாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். அதான் ட்ராக் லொக்கேஷன் அண்ட் மச் மோர் மெனி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ். தட் ஒன் ஹெல்ப் ஃபார் மொபைல் ஃபோன். Thank you dears. What are the question today we see? Second lesson, fourth lesson, lesson 4, science in everyday life. What are the one discussed today class? First 4 Romans and then last 6th Roman, first 3 question only today material reading. Thank you dears.